subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Samsung has silently announced its new entry-level smartphone under A series called Galaxy A01. The company has listed the Galaxy A01 on their website, showing the design and some key specifications of the smartphone. The Galaxy A01 is seen to have a water drop notch at the top center of the display for selfie camera and has thick bezels around the edges of the screen. The rear panel appears to be made of plastic that carries vertically aligned dual camera setup at the top left corner, including LED flash. The back panel is also seen to feature a dual speaker grille at the bottom, and notably, there is no physical fingerprint sensor present on this phone. The power button is located on the right edge, while the volume rockers are placed on the left side. The physical dimensions of the phone measures at 146.3 by 70.9 by 8.3 mm. Now, talking about the specifications. The Samsung Galaxy A01 comes featured by 5.7-inch Infinity V display with HD+ resolution. Under the hood, the phone is powered by unnamed octa-core processor. The device comes in 6 or 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of inbuilt storage that can also be further expandable up to 512 GB via dedicated microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the dual rear cameras of Galaxy A01 includes a 13 megapixel main camera with f2.2 aperture and a 2 megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, there is a 5 megapixel camera at the front with f2.0 aperture. The smartphone packs with 3000 mAh of battery and supports dual SIM card slot. Apart from this, there is no other details of Galaxy A01 has officially revealed, and unfortunately, the pricing and availability details were also missing, but the phone is listed to come in black, blue and red color options. So, as of now, that's all we know about the Galaxy A01 smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.